Hey, what's up guys, this is R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. I recently purchased an MSI laptop. This is the MSI Modern 15 A11SB. Before we look further into the details, here are the specifications of this specific model. We do have some models with different specification, but I went for this since it was way cheaper. With all that set aside, let's start getting into the details. The overall build quality is amazing. Most of the build is metal, which does add some weight to the device. Since it's metal built, there is no flex to this device. However, the surface is a fingerprint magnet. The Modern 15 is not too heavy at 1.6 kilos, it's kinda portable. The weight increases though to 1.8 kilos with its charger included. As for the design, I do like the thin bezels which are now standard to new laptops. The edges are also curved and not sharp, so that's also a huge plus. The 15.6-inch Full HD with resolution of 1920 by 1080 has a wide viewing angle and the sRGB 100% color coverage. This is suitable for designers and creative professionals. The display has a standard refresh rate of 60 Hz and houses the HD webcam on the top of the screen bezel. The display also supports true color technology, which enables you to switch between different color modes depending on the usage. The screen surface is matte, anti-glare coated and not that reflective. The keyboard has a short key travel of 1.5mm and also equipped with a white LED with 3 levels of brightness adjustable by the F8 key. Since there is no number pad, the size of the keys are large with ample spacing, making typing experience more precise and comfortable. What I hate though is the function button, which is located on the right side of the keyboard. The trackpad is also something I really despise. Why is it so small? Why waste all that space? MSI was also generous with ports. The left side includes the charging port, HDMI port, Type-C with power delivery charging, Type-A USB 3.2 Gen port 1 and a 3.5mm audio combo, and the LED notification. The right side has 2 Type-A USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports and a micro SD card. Why the micro SD card? This is a 15.6-inch laptop. We need a full-size SD card slot. This configuration is perfect for office users and students who want more performance than a typical Ultrabook. Although the graphic is powered by a dedicated 2GB GDDR5 NVIDIA MX450, this is not a graphic card made for heavy gaming or heavy video editing. Anyway, if you want better battery life, then you will stick with the integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics. The fan noise is normal, very quiet but picks up rather quickly when running medium or intensive applications. I know some areas I didn't mention, like camera, sound, battery life and so on. The main reason for these are not a wow factor when it comes to this laptop. You can grab a pair of headphones for better audio, attach an external camera for better camera, and plug your laptop to a source if you need to use it for a long period of time. Anyway, the MSI Modern 15 comes with an attractive specification and has almost everything for a business or casual user who are always on the go. Fast performance, great build quality, and lightweight design. This is also a good starter laptop for designers, video editors, and light gamers. Well, for now, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video and I guess I'll love to see you in the next one. Bye.